pork roast in there and have it on coals in my Dutch oven, and we're going to see what it turns out like inside the wood stove, cooking for the first time in the wood stove. So check it out, see what we can do. This is Patriot Homestead. There it is. It's been cooking in there for like 5 minutes, and you can see the juices that just coming out of it. So wood stove really cooks great, but you got to watch it really close. Well, cooking in this wood cook stove right there gets really hot. I'm telling you, it's a lot faster than cooking in the oven if you got a good set of coals in there. I flipped it over, but it's getting done. Just thought I'd share this experience with you. This right here, excuse my hand. This right here is from the lid. This cast iron lid where it hits it, but it looks like it's cooking it up really good. As neat as can be to cook in a fire like that, but the only trouble is trying to get it out of the wood stove. Being a tight area, you have to be careful not to burn yourself. And the coals, I guess, they should be lower, not as many. But I'm telling you, that set of coals will really cook that pork roast right here. It's really great. I'm excited about it. Okay, you know it takes 160 degrees internal temperature, so we're at 120 right now. So we're gonna have to stick that back in there, but it's cooking. I got this little cast iron Dutch oven at Academy. I about forgot, and it's got little bitty feet on it. And it's the first time I've cooked in it, and so I just wanted to share that with you. This is Patriot Homestead. This is my other cook stove that I had, but I couldn't get a good fire in the firebox to cook anything, and so I had to get me another one, and I've been cooking in it. Mercy, I put it on top now. We're going to check it again, see how hot it is on the internal temperature. Isn't it? Look at all the way in there. At 140, and we're gonna I'm gonna let it cook on top of the stove the rest of the way, seeing how I got it cooked mostly, and I got a pretty covering on it, a blade, and we'll check it and make sure it's well done. So it's at 170, it's done, and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to try it out and see if it has a better taste. I could smell it outside. Can't smell it as much inside, but I smelled it outside.